Hey beautiful people, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care, Elite Total Body Care, and Private Label Hair Care Company. So today we are doing an alopecia weaving service on my client here who has a case of scarred alopecia in her crown. And we're going to be removing her current install, which is really simple. It literally rinses right off, you guys. So she's had this for a little over a month. She comes in sometimes once a month, sometimes every 3 weeks to get this redone. And then we go through, we treat her hair, we shampoo her hair really well, and then do a reinstall. So today you guys are in for a treat, so you get to see the whole process. So we're gonna start with our Elite Clarifying Shampoo, and we're gonna go through and just cleanse her hair and her scalp. Now the good thing about the weaving alternative or weaving service that I provide is that my ultimate goal is, of course, to protect the hair to the best of my ability. At the same time, it allows her to still have a style, and it allows her to be extremely confident with that style because it blends nicely with her hair. So what I'm doing now is just rinsing off the Elite Clarify. That is, like I said before, a gentle cleansing shampoo. It is great to start your service with a clarifying shampoo, no matter if your hair is long, short, natural, or relaxed. So then we're going to go in with our Elite Hair Repair and Growth Shampoo. And we're also going to be doing a protein treatment today. Just because we're doing what we call weaving alternatives for her hair, that doesn't mean that she doesn't still treat her actual hair. That is still intact. And then what I decided to do was put a little bit of our Super Growth Serum in her crown area. Unfortunately, because she has the weave in that area or the extensions, we cannot add any type of oils to that area. So I always do it during the shampoo process and just go through and really distribute or help to stimulate her blood flow in that area with a little bit of manipulation. Now you can also add the Super Growth to your shampoo or your conditioner as you are shampooing and conditioning the hair. But today we are actually not going to add it to the conditioner because, as I said before, we are doing a protein treatment. So after I rinsed out all of the hair repair shampoo, we are going to go ahead and do the protein. Now for the protein treatment to actually work, you do want to make sure that you towel dry the hair and you use step 1, which is the actual treatment. The good thing is now it comes with a treatment pump rather than a pour nozzle, and it allows you to really take control of how much product you're using on the hair. Now for the first part of it, she actually goes under the dryer. And I wanted to show you guys her piece that just came off. So I want you guys to take a look at how much protection. As you guys can tell, there is no hair on that piece. It is literally a piece. And it comes off in its entirety. It's water soluble. And the good thing is, even with her perspiring, it still stayed on with no problem. So now she's from under the dryer where we're rinsing off the protein treatment. And then we are going to move on to step 2 of our Repair RX system. So this system is called Elite Repair RX, and it is a 2-part system. And we're going to go ahead and add the hydrate part of the system, where now we're going to rehydrate the hair, condition the hair, and soften the hair after we did our protein treatment. So now she's going to go back under the dryer for about 5 minutes with a processing cap, and this is going to rehydrate her hair. Now I want you guys to look closely. If you guys can see, there are some little stubbies that are growing in the crown area that, as you can tell, is actually scarred. So that is actually a great thing because that piece has been on her head, and a lot of people say, oh, it's more damaging. Well, if it was more damaging, how is it that she has hair growing under there rather than it being 100% bald and shiny? So clearly, our method to the madness is working, and it is allowing her to get some growth in those areas. Now, I am going now and installing or reinstalling new extensions in the crown. So all that you see on her scalp right now, that is not just her scalp. That is 4 levels of protection over the scalp area, including a net, including papers, including a silicone base, including gel. So that is how I'm able to achieve these looks and protect my client's hair and still allow for growth without suffocating the actual follicle. And she is able to still get the style that she desires and still able to feel confident and go throughout her day for about 30 days at a time, sometimes somewhere between 3 and 4 weeks. Now, I do not recommend anybody or just anyone do this because not everyone understands protection and not everyone understands how to work with clients who have alopecia. So keep that in mind. All right. So now the full install is complete, and I'm just going to cut her some bangs. So she likes to have what we call eyebrow length bangs. Or long bangs. So that's exactly what we're going to do. This part of the style is actually really, really simple, you guys, because she's already been dried and silked. So all we're doing is the basic part of the style, which is cutting those bangs. And I like to make the bangs really feathered, and then go through and just curl her, or you can straighten her, whichever is your choice. Now, before I forget, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. And also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know a lot of you want to know what type of hair it is that I'm using because it blends so well with her hair. This hair is from a company called Empire. It's a pack hair or weft hair, and it comes in the salt and pepper color, and it works really, really well for her hair. So if you're looking for a hair that is like a salt and pepper, Empire has that. Also, guys, if you don't mind, please go ahead and comment down below and tell me what you guys think about the finished style before I get to the end of the video. And then don't forget as well, if you're not already subscribed to our sister channel, which is Elite Total Body Care, please go ahead and subscribe to that channel as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this informational video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.